away from where the shooting lane is. For a goaltender like Anderson, can see the puck, no traffic in front, easy save.
From 2 for 9 to start the season on the power play. Now they have their #1 unit out there. Bozak, James Van Riemsdyk, and Kessel. Cody Franson back in the right point, but Phaneuf on the left point. And Phaneuf has to go back after the puck. Reimer threw a little block for him on Eric Conrad.
Where's your monkey, Jake?
Kessel.
Get your monkey.
Back to Phaneuf. Franson on the other side. Kessel. Franson shoots.
Oh, good ball.
Deflected into the corner.
Here's your monkey.
Franson again, a slap pass, and he banned on it off the heel of his stick. And the Senators get up 2-on-2. Zach Smith with Eric Conrad. Conrad's going to get the puck to Smith. Now he's just trying to keep it in.
Here's your monkey.
There's Conrad with a shot. And that's stopped with a slash on the play. And it'll be an all-out penalty here with still 10 seconds left in the penalty to Erik Karlsson.
That was a delayed reaction, and then you see Bozak, he can't believe he went to go make a play, and you wonder why there was a turnover. Well, the slash on the stick, Bozak protects the puck, goes to make a play with it, and that slash just breaks it in half. Andre in all alone, and a little bit of a delayed reaction before the arm went up.
We got 10 seconds.
Here's the monkey, Jake.
You got to take away the goaltender tries. He does that there. Anderson does
Jake,
a good peek
come here. Sit. Jake. Other paw. Good boy. Good boy.
Very similar to the goal Mason Raymond scored. It was Raymond who made the pass to Kadri, and it's a 2-2 game.
So if you don't have traffic in front, you've got to move the puck laterally quickly. Well, watch the difference here. Kuka kicks out. No traffic. Anderson able to make the save. Gets on the rebound.